A man was shot and succumbed to his injuries while his 11-year-old son injured in Manchester gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An 11-year-old boy has been hospitalized in critical condition and his father pronounced dead after they were attacked by gunmen in Inglewood's Mile Gully on Friday night. Police named the deceased as Jerome Evans, a resident of Inglewood. Preliminary reports are that at around 7:50 p.m. Preliminary reports suggest that at about 7:50 p.m. Evan and his son were at home when gunmen attacked and opened fire, hitting the door. They were taken to hospital where the son was admitted and the father pronounced dead. The police theorized that the father was the target of the attack in a feud stemming from another parish. Statistics from the police show up to April 30, Manchester recorded 38 murders since the start of the year when compared to 43 for the corresponding period last year. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come in the later newscasts. Thanks for watching.